Dillon Manufacturing full grip jaws are wraparound type top jaws that distribute the gripping pressure over more of the workpiece surface, reducing part distortion. Our full grip jaws are available in a wide selection of chuck styles and provide smooth gripping surface that will not mar the workpiece. Dillon full grip jaws feature matching serration location now made with 6061 aluminum treated to a T6 hardness that effectively eliminates material porosity. With close manufacturing tolerances, concentricity is easily maintained for matching thin walled parts and maintaining repetitive accuracy. In addition to standard full grip jaws, Dillon Chuck Jaws has the ability to manufacture many types of specialty custom full grip jaws not listed in our catalog. Our options for full grip jaws include special tongue and groove full grip jaws, special Acme serrated full grip jaws, special square serrated full grip jaws, available in 6061 aluminum, 1018 steel, and as well as cast iron. We maintain stock sizes between 5 and 24 inches in diameter, with the height up to 8 inches. These jaws save you money and are delivered quickly. Oversized and special jaws are also available. Dillon jaws are made in the USA, and Dillon is ISO 9001:2015 registered. Visit www.dillonmfg.com or request our top jaws from your supplier.